Welcome to Fun Technique. Sheep farming or sheep husbandry is the raising and breeding of domestic sheep. It is a branch of animal husbandry. Sheep are raised principally for their meat, lamb and mutton, milk, sheep's milk, and fiber, wool. They also yield sheepskin and parchment. Sheep can be raised in a range of temperate climates, including arid zones near the equator and other torrid zones. Farmers build fences, housing, shearing sheds, and other facilities on their property, such as for water, feed, transport, and pest control. Most farms are managed so sheep can graze pastures, sometimes under the control of a shepherd or sheepdog. Farmers can select from various breeds suitable for their region and market conditions. When the farmer sees that a ewe, female adult, is showing signs of heat or estrus, they can organize for mating with males. Newborn lambs are typically subjected to lamb marking, which involves tail docking, mulesing, ear marking, and males may be castrated. Ewes generally reach sexual maturity at 6 to 8 months of age, and rams generally at 4 to 6. Ram lambs have occasionally been known to impregnate their mothers at 2 months. Sheep are seasonally polyoestrus animals. Ewes enter into estrus cycles about every 17 days, which last for approximately 30 hours. In addition to emitting a scent, they indicate readiness through physical displays towards rams. The phenomenon of the free marten, a female bovine that is behaviorally masculine and lacks functioning ovaries, is commonly associated with cattle, but does occur to some extent in sheep. The instance of free martens in sheep may be increasing in concert with the rise in twinning. Free martens are the result of male-female twin combinations. The Fleeman response is exhibited by rams when they smell the urine of a ewe in estrus. The vomeronasal organ has receptors which detect the estrogens in the ewe's urine. The ram displays this by extending his neck and curling his lip.